And it really doesn't matter which one you plug it into or which order. And from originally they came all already plugged in. The only thing I have to plug in is the power. And then there's 2 for each hash board.
What are these extra plugs for?
They're not extra, those are for the power.
Oh.
So each board uses 2
that's
power
coming
ports.
next.
Yeah, I mean I could put it here.
Yeah, sure.
So this fan sucks.
Yeah.
This fan blows. So you don't want to suck and blow on the same side. So it's better to put it this way. And then you got to kind of plan this out so that you don't run out of slack on these cables. This one's got a lot of extra slack, so I can run it back to the control board.
How do you know which one of these cords go where?
Well, they're all the same, so it doesn't matter.
They're all the same.
You just want to make sure you don't run out of slack, so you try to separate out.
All they are is providing power.
Yeah, so most off-the-shelf power supplies you would get at your computer store don't have nearly enough of these connectors. These type of connectors originally were intended to power video cards. The high-end video cards would have one of these ports on the board that you would plug into because it wasn't able to draw enough power from the motherboard. And then I have one extra